Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lubang. Welcome back to this channel. What you have seen so far are the 3 light installations that I loved during the iLight Singapore 2022 media preview. There are a total of 20 light installations, and if you were to visit each one, be prepared to spend a few hours. The iLight Singapore starts from 3rd of June and continue till 26th of June at the Marina Bay area.
Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the media preview for iLight Singapore 2022 presented by DBS. I'm Jason Chen, the Festival Director, and I'm very happy to take you through an overview of what to expect for this year's festival. As should be mentioned, iLight Singapore is organized by Urban Redevelopment Authority, and we're bringing back the festival to Marina Bay after a 2-year hiatus. And I think this will be a very important occasion for us to reach out and engage the community as we bring back the vibrancy and the buzz to Marina Bay.
Check out Gastro Beats when you're there. There are lots of food and games that you can try. And if you're into claw machines, check this out. If you're into inflatable playground, you must visit Jumptopia. There is a large area for you to enjoy your food or have a rest. The fun begins when the sun goes down.
Let the sound of water fill me from the bottoms up with the sun down. Take a quick look around. I don't recognize your eyes, but I know this. Place me on a pedestal. Sex, drugs, rock and roll. I've been trying to climb my way to the top of your heartbeat slowly. Hardly even know me, but you hold me closer than a mother with a baby. So don't let it go. Don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. Don't let it go. Don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. Don't let it go. Don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. Don't let it go. Don't let it show. We all know just how this goes. You call me a flight risk. Try to close my eyelids and let the sound of water fill me from the bottoms up with the sun down. Take a quick look around. I don't recognize your eyes. Vibes fall fast, hit the ground, not a single sound. Linger on, but I'm on to another round. Thought you knew I'm on the move and nowhere to be found. Thought you knew I'm on the move and nowhere to be found.